What's up guys, it's Jack from CIR Inventions, and today we're going to be unboxing the Evike Airsoft Con 2019 edition Box of Awesomeness. So let's get in. I haven't looked inside yet, so this is first time surprise reveal, you know, so let's get into it. Alright, first I'll start with the simple. We got the America Hex patch right here, if you can see that, if it focuses. And then that also came with a evike.com coin, so I can use that whenever I go to one of their stores. So that's pretty handy. Alright, let's get into the guns. So first off, it seems that we have a pistol, salient arms. Ooh, okay. Alright, y'all. Yeah, let me take it out of this plastic bag so you can see. Ooh. That looks good. So from what I can tell, this is the Salient Arms 1911. Let's go ahead and cock it, shall we? Okay, that feels, oh, that trigger response too. That feels buttery smooth. Nice and fast, quick, small trigger response. That feels great. This is a $180 pistol, so that's great for only paying $170 for this box. And it comes with the gun and the green gas magazine right here. So we're already off to a great start. And next up, it seems like we have a pretty big box here from FN Herstal. Let me pull this out for you guys just to show you how big this is. It's the main bulk of the box there. So let's get right in. Yes, okay. So, this right here, ignore that. This right here is the Cybergun FN Herstal M249 Paratrooper Edition. And this thing is just, oh my gosh, it's amazing. It's got a built-in bipod. Mostly, it's got a lot of metal parts. So the lower receiver here is all metal. This upper receiver is plastic. Pretty sure. Yeah, so we take it off here. The battery compartment is right there. So it's not a whole lot of room, but still pretty decent. And then sights look pretty good from what I can tell. Everything looks intact. Just cock it real quick. Alright, so there's one fault. It is missing some springs. There's some screws. But yeah, so there's the gun itself. And then along with that inside the box, we get a high cap mag, fully metal, not plastic. Doesn't feel very cheap at all. Feels great. And we also get the stock here, which feels pretty nice. Nice and sturdy, so yeah. Overall, for $170, that was a pretty good box of awesomeness. Okay guys, so I went ahead and assembled this guy fully for y'all, just so that I can show you a couple of things. And let me just say, overall it feels absolutely amazing, great and sturdy for such a lightweight gun. Like, I can hold this thing up with one hand. Like with regular MGs, you're not going to be able to do that. And that's just insane. So props to FN Herstal and Cybergun on that. And so basically, it's got the magazine goes inside here sideways at an interesting angle, kind of makes it look pretty cool. And then you can also get a box magazine off of Evike, which I plan on doing soon, because when you get a gun that shoots this fast, just having a single magazine isn't going to be enough for very long. So just take it out, pressing that pedal there, and yeah, that's about it here. And then also in the stock, I forgot to show this earlier, but it's retractable. So it's a lot easier to get into smaller situations, weave around corners, you know, hold it up tight and all that. And just bring it back out real easy. It's also got a shoulder rest here, so whenever you're holding it up here, it's a little bit easier, takes some weight off, you know. So overall, for $170, this was a very successful box of awesomeness. I got a $220 LMG and a $180 pistol. So thank you, Evike. This has been awesome, and I will see you guys in the next video.